Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to mirror an image before printing in Microsoft Publisher. So get started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video I will show mirror an image before printing. Now going to the insert menu option. Now for click. Then click for a picture option. Now select for picture, then find your picture. Now select from picture, then click for insert option. Now research your picture. This picture is mirror an image now before. Now going to the format one option, then click for a picture effect option, then select from a bevel option. Now select from any bevel style. Then again picture effect option. Now click for a 3D resolution. Now select from any. Then again click for picture effect option. Now click for a reflective option. Now select from a any style. That it's. Now you can see mirror an image. Now going to the file menu option. Then click for a printing option. Now wait for some moment. That it's. Now you can see mirror an image before printing in Publisher document is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for